Good morning, wherever you are joining from, all over the nation of the world. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are joining from once again. So I welcome you to Topic FS, where we keep on analyzing and we encourage people to learn. This morning, I'll be giving us different pair to see what is going to happen during the course of the week. We are going to be analyzing using the market maker footprint, and this analysis that we are giving it for you to know your place of entry, and you use or apply your own strategy. Apply your strategy anytime you see the opportunity. I believe that if you are a trader, you have your entry strategy. So ours is to show you what is going to happen in the market, then you apply. But if you want to learn how to make a good entry, how to spot a good market, then you need to enroll to Topic FS. And we are starting our masterclass this week. And the masterclass will be commencing this week, which is $350. And for the beginner class, it's $150. And I will encourage every one of you to take this opportunity. The class will be starting Wednesday, November. So let's go straight to the ball. Last week, I gave us this analysis that the Euro USD will first of all drop it, then it will fly to the top, immediately get to this market maker footprint. I gave us that analysis, which will first of all mark this market maker footprint, that is where it will stop. Then from there, it proceeds and it goes to this level, which is where we have the next market maker footprint. Then from this region, I gave out a trade on that fateful day. I said that this market is going to buy. I gave us this trade here, and the market gave us a minimum of 50 pips or 49 pips thereabout before it started giving us a retracement. So which we still believe that it's supposed to enter into this region. But as for me, what am I looking at on the Euro USD this week? On Euro USD, I'm still going for a buy opportunity on Euro USD. That is what I'll be going for this week. And I'm expecting Euro to push down to this region. I'm expecting Euro to come and give me a re-entry at the price of 1.0500. 1.0500, that is where I'm expecting Euro USD to come to before I will think of a buy. Then if I'll be thinking of a sell, this is the market maker footprint where I told every one of you that the market will get to. I told every one of you that the market will get to this region, which is the price of 1.6000, and the price came to 1.6000. It began to drop and drop. So if I'm going to make a re-entry on this Euro USD, if I'm going to make a good re-entry, if I'm going to make a viable trade, it's either I expect the market to come to the price of 1.0500. Then from there, I will look at the spot whereby I can pick my trade and enjoy the trade to get to this region, which is 1.0680. 1.0680. So my first TP will be 1.0600. The next TP will be at 1.0650. Then the top TP will be at 1.0700. So that is what I'll be looking at on Euro USD. On Euro USD, I'll position myself for a little opportunity in buy. So this week, I'll be looking for a buying opportunity this week on Euro USD. That is what I'll be looking for on Euro USD this morning. So this week, I'll be looking for opportunity to buy on Euro USD. Now, let's go straight to the next pair on our list. Let's look at BTC USD. BTC USD. If nobody even tell me that we're done, I will tell myself we're done. I can remember I gave out this trade on BTC USD, and I told us that I'm expecting a buy, that this market will come to this market maker footprint at this region. And when the market comes here, I'm expecting a buy to this region. Then from this region, I'll be expecting them to give me another opportunity, and which they form a good market maker footprint. They told me that they are coming back to that region. That is what they informed me. You know, I told you that market maker footprint, they do communicate. They do communicate. Unless you know, you don't know, then you forget about it. Once you don't know, you forget about it. Now, I told us that from this region, they will come back to test this particular region, which they came to. And later, and they came to that region. Morning, I'm late for gold. No. I've not done good yet. I've not done good yet. I've not done good yet. So now, the market will trace to this price, which is 28. I'm expecting to come to 2,800. And the price came to that region. And what happened? It began to fly. And I could remember, I told every one of you that BTC USD is going to go bullish. It's going to go bullish. And all through the last week period, all through the last month, it keep on going bullish. Sorry, we are still in October. Sorry, we are still in October. So it still keep on going bullish. And if I'm going to go, if I want to make entry on this BTC USD, where can I do that? That I will be good to go with it. Let me give out this opportunity here. On BTC USD, I'm expecting the price to test this region. I have a 2 region here to test for them to continue with their flying. And let's say if they will respect those regions. So I'm expecting that first region there, and I'm expecting this second region. Now on BTC USD, look for the entry on your buy opportunity at the price of 34,033. So look for your opportunity there. If they fail to give you that entry pattern there, then wait for the price of 33,200. 33,200. If they don't give you that entry pattern at that region, at this region, then the sure area that I am very sure that they will definitely give it to you is 30,500. Those are the 3 regions that you should be expecting your re-entry. Expect your re-entry at those regions. So once you don't see the opportunity at the first price that I gave to you of BTC USD, if you don't see your entry opportunity at the first region, they will, if the opportunity is not there, they will not bring the entry pattern. I believe that we all have our entry pattern. And let me tell you, I keep on telling you, Forex market is a game of a price. I have proven that to you time with that number. It's not all about indicator. It's not all about you saying, oh, use Fibonacci, use all those things. Let me tell you, it works for people that it's working for. But I can tell you categorically, it's a game of price. I just want to ask every one of you a question on this call this morning. If you said that, okay, it's not a game of price, let me even shock you again. Forex market is not a game of time frame. I know that many of you will be shocked. You'll be looking at what is wrong with Tobit effort this morning. I'm just telling you the secret of this market. Forex market is not about time frame. Forex market is not about you using indicators. But there are good times that you can use indicator. There are good times that you can use your entry pattern on different time frame. Now, let me ask you this simple question, and I want you to be straightforward. Now, let's say this range over. This is a range over. As you can see, I don't know how to draw. Please don't laugh at me. This is a range over. Or you can say this is Lamborghini. I want to prove to you the reason why I said it's not a game of time frame or indicator. It's a game of a price. Now, this Lamborghini or this Range Rover that you are seeing on my screen, look at the present price that they are selling it. Let's use this BTC USD as a form of explanation. Let's use it as a form of explanation. Now, look at it. They are selling it at the price of 34,226 presently. Now, I want to ask you this simple question. Is it the same price that you see on this 4 hour that you will see on monthly time frame? Let's go straight to monthly time frame. You can see that it is still the same price, 34,215. Now, let's go straight to weekly time frame. It's still the same price that you saw it there, 34,216. Let's go straight to 4 hour. It is still 34,200. You are seeing it there. If we go straight to 2 hours, it is still 34,221. You are still seeing there. If we go straight to 3-minute time frame, it is still the same price that you will see there, 34,000. So now the question I want to ask you is that, does time frame involved in this game? The same price they give it to you at the higher time frame is still the same price they are going to give it to you at the lower time frame. So I want you to remove that thing from your brain that, oh, you are this, you are that, I use higher time frame, I use this thing. Oga, well done, sir. It's a good one. But I can tell you, Forex market is a game of a price. It's a game of a price. What we use time frame to do, that one is a game for another day. Now, I have proven to you that it's a game of a price, not a game of you higher time frame. I want to ask, the price that they are selling on the higher time frame, is it different from the price they are selling from the lower time frame? Now, the question is, what is that logic behind the buyer and the seller? If you don't understand the logic behind the buyer and the seller, you will keep on donating money to this market. You will keep on donating money to this market. You need to understand the logic behind the buyer and the seller. So once you can identify that logic, the goal of us making money in this market will be useless. I can tell you categorically that I've been on this channel for a very long time. Most of you that have been following me for a very long time, you can tell me that when I give you analysis, my analysis, even though if it is not 100%, it is 90-something%. Okay, I don't want to even rate myself. Many of you that have been following me for a very long time, I want you, with all due respect, can you put it on the chat box? What is the winning rate of our analysis in this channel? For many of you that have been following us for a very long time, what is our winning rate here with our analysis? Please, can you just drop it in the comment section? What is the winning rate? I want you to be the one to rate me on your own. I don't want to be the one to rate myself. Just give me the rating. 96%, 95%, 98%. Anyone you drop there. So far, it's a pass mark. So far, is a pass mark. So if I am coming analyzing to you people on this market, I am coming to you and I'm showing that this is the way you are supposed to do this thing. This is what you are supposed to do. Then know that I know what I'm talking about. Do you know how many times that you will draw a Fibonacci, you will draw everything and it will break? Instead of it to be going, the thing will continue to go up. Okay, I want to ask you a question. We said that trend line is connecting 2 dots together. Okay, let's say we connected these 2 dots together. These 2 dots, you connected it together. This is it. When you connected that 2 dots together, why is it that the market break, you position yourself for a buy, then later what happened? The market begin to drop. Oh, I use my Fibonacci. I look at it that it will come to this region, from this region, then I'm going to buy, I'm going to sell, I'm going to do that. Yet, you keep on failing. Let me tell you, you need to understand the logic behind the buyer and the seller. Let me show you people how to get that logic behind the buyer and the seller. Let me quickly show you. Don't worry. Your jazz will not work for me. If you want to understand that, come to the masterclass, student, and let's get it done. Come to masterclass class. Come there, let's get it done. So let's continue with our analysis. My spirit is not flowing to drop it. Don't worry. So let's look at, if the market comes to this region, where is our first TP? Let's look into the future price. Let's look into the future price. If all of you could remember, I told you that if this market is going very we almost had him. Sorry, you can't get me there. So now, this is where I'm expecting BTC USDT to come. And I'm not missing words. This is where I'm expecting BTC USDT to come later in the future. But let's go straight to, so this is where I'm expecting BTC USDT to come. So let's go straight to daily to see if, okay, where daily is even giving us its own entry pattern is different, but let's make use of this 4 hours own. So let's see if they will give us a continuation pattern. So on BTC USDT, I'll still be looking for a buy opportunity. Position yourself for that buy at those regions whereby I place for you to get your entry. So that is for me on BTC USD. Let's go straight to the next pair. GBP AUD, GBP AUD, GBP AUD. On GBP AUD, when the market came to this region, I told us that I'm expecting this market to come inside this particular region before we would think of sell. But what happened? The market only come to the low, didn't get to the market maker footprint where we expect them to initiate a very good sell for us. And they keep on dropping the market. And I gave us this particular region that they are going to buy at this region. So I said they are going to buy at this region. And what happened? They only gave us a small pips there. They gave us only small pips, which is 66 pips, and they destroyed that region. And the next region that I'm looking at right now is for them to come to this price, the price of 1.9036 or 1.90 on red. 1.9036 or 1.90 So that is where I'm expecting GBP AUD to come to before we will think of any buy. Before we think of any buy, I'm expecting GBP AUD to come to those two prices I mentioned to you. The first price is 1.9030, 1.9030 or 1.90 1.9030 or 1.90. So that is where I'm expecting them to come to, that will look for opportunity to buy on GBP AUD. So that is where we are going to be looking for opportunity to buy on GBP AUD. So I'll still position myself for a good buy on GBP AUD. So let's go straight to the next pair. Euro AUD, Euro AUD. I could remember on Euro AUD, I told us that this market will come to this region, which they came to the region. And from this region, they gave us opportunity to get just only 70 pips. They gave us only 70 pips from that region. So, and I told us that I'm still expecting them to come and test the region properly, which they are already at that region. So at this region, let's look at what is going to happen if there is going to be a good opportunity for us on a very lower time frame. So I'll be focusing my attention on a buy. I'll be focusing my attention on a buy on Euro AUD. So I'll be focusing my attention on a buy on Euro AUD. So on this Euro AUD, I'll be thinking of opportunity to go bearish. bullish. I'll be looking for bullish direction on Euro AUD. So let's see what is going to happen there. I'll be looking for bullish direction on Euro AUD. So we can see that presently there is a divergence ongoing at that region. So if divergence is going, meaning that I'm waiting for the market to come and break and retest this particular region. Let the price do like this, give me this, then I'll be thinking of a proper buy. But for now, with the way the market is still dropping, so let's see when they give us a good change in the formation that they are dropping. Now they are at the market maker footprint. Number two, they are giving us a good divergence to back up that something is about to really happen. Then the other entry strategy, the other way, I will keep that to myself and my students, and for anybody that wants to enroll to our academy for master class and for beginner class. So if you want to join, we are starting for master class on Wednesday, and we are starting for you to enroll to our master class. You have to pay $350. And if you want to enroll to our beginner class is $150. So that is what we charge for. So on Euro AUD this week, I'll be looking for a buy opportunity. I'll look for buy opportunity. And if I'm looking for buy opportunity, my first TP will be at the price of 1.6680. Then the second TP will be at the price of 1.6800. So those are the two TP I'll be giving to us this week. Look for your buy opportunity and enjoy your trade. So we expect Euro AUD to either push to the price of 1.6550 before it will give us good entry, or they might choose to go back from this 1.6600. If every one of you could remember, these are the three prices I gave to you. I gave us 1.6650, 1.6600, or 1.6550. And they are broken 1.6550, and they are at the price of 1.6600 right now. Let's see what they will give to us at the price of 1.6600. And if they don't give us any good entry pattern there, then we know that we are going to hold our money till the price comes to 1.66, 65.60, or 65.50. So that is my take on Euro AUD. Euro AUD, look for buy opportunity this morning. Now let's go straight to GBP JPY. Let's go straight to GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, I gave us a trade that let's see what they will do at this price, and they gave us a very good opportunity to make a good profit of 106 pips, sorry, 108 pips minimum. So now, based on that, then what do we expect next? They came down and they are coming to this market maker footprint at this region. So at this market maker footprint, they are coming to on these 4 hours. They are coming to the market maker footprint on 4 hours. And let's see if every one of you could remember. I know that many of you will be smiling that, oh boy, this guy said it, that these JPY peers, they will soon do something. And we can all see is that they have started the movement. They drop it and drag it and drag it and drag it and drag it. They drag it from this region. Let's see how many people that they have dragged it with. Look at it. They have moved 260 something. And let me tell you, I can tell you for free, they will see a pullback. It may be a continuation, but let's see what the market is trying to tell us generally. With what I can see on my screen, the market is still on a bullish flow, and I'm expecting them to come to this market maker footprint to position myself for a buy. I'm expecting them to come to the price of 180.50. Let them come to 180.50 for me to look for opportunity to buy. So let me look for opportunity to buy at that region. And at this region, I don't see any meaningful thing here right now. Let me look at it clearly. Okay. I think I can spot something there. So they started showing me the good opportunity that I should prepare for something. Here. So let's see if what they asked us to prepare for is on a good note. So now look at it here. So let's see if this thing will work out. They are already at the market maker footprint. Let's see if what they are showing us is possibly of working out. So throughout this week, I'll be looking for buy opportunity on GBP JPY. So that is what I'll be looking at. I'll be watching out for on GBP JPY. I'll watch out for a buy opportunity on GBP JPY. So that is my take on GBP JPY. But I believe that they should come to the price of 180.50, 180.50 proper before they will keep on popping it to the top. So now let's go straight, look for buy opportunity on GBP JPY. Let's go straight to Chef JPY also. On Chef JPY, I mark this market maker footprint and I spot this market maker footprint also, which has been destroyed. They have destroyed that market maker footprint. Then where is the market maker footprint that we are going to position ourselves for to look for a buy opportunity? Then we are expecting this market to come to the price of 16500. We are expecting Chef JPY to come to 16500. Then once the price comes to 16500, then we'll be looking for opportunity to buy at those regions. You know, every time I've been telling you, if you are on a buy on JPY PS, you are sleeping on a long thing. And look at it, where I predicted that it would drop. How many pips? They have dropped 170 pips, which I told you that minimum of 300 is what they will drop. And look at it, they are coming to 16500. So if they get there, all prophecy fulfilled. So that is my take on Chef JPY. I'll be looking for buy opportunity. If I'm looking for buy opportunity, then I'm expecting the market to come back to this region. If they will give me opportunity to sell again at the price of 167.50, 167.50. So, but for now, I'll be looking for buy opportunity this week once they come to the market maker footprint. No, I've not done AUD USD. I don't think I've done. I will do that. So, but let's continue. Now let's look at GBP USD CHF. Let's look at USD CHF. On USD CHF last week, I told us that when they come to this region, I'll look for opportunity, which they came to, and they said, Oga, we are not ready to move. We still want to push to another market maker footprint, and which they are already at a good market maker footprint to say. And at this market maker footprint, what is going on at this market maker footprint? We can all see clearly that they are trying to create a good market maker footprint pattern. And yet, the market maker footprint, let's see if they want to violate it or they still want to maintain it. Presently, with what I can see on my screen, they have not given us a good entry pattern yet. So if they are going to give me a good entry pattern, then let me say that if I'm going to enter, I've not seen any good reason to enter, but they are already at the market maker footprint. No good things for me to showcase that, okay, look for entry opportunity, but just wait and let's see if they will give us a very good, nice opportunity there. But presently, they are at the good market maker footprint. Let's see if they will give us a decision or they still want the price to come to this region. They still want the price to push to 90.50. Let's see if they want to push the price to 90.50 or they want to come to this price, the price of 9100. 9100. So if they don't give us any opportunity at this region, they know that they want to come to 9100. But for me, I'll be looking for sell opportunity on USDC share. I'll be looking for sell opportunity throughout this week on USDC share. So I'll be looking for sell opportunity. And where at the region you should be looking for that sell opportunity, let me give you those region right now. Write it on your note or put it on your notepad. Expect the sell opportunity at the price of 0.9050 or 0.9120 or 0.9150 or 0.9150. So those are the three prices I'll be looking for a sell opportunity at that region. That's where I'll be looking for sell opportunity on USDC share. Then let's go straight to gold. Gold. On gold, I can remember the last time I predicted gold. I said gold is going to 2030 or 2020. And I give us the entry at 1972. And I show us the market maker footprint in between. That look at this market maker footprint, that is where they are coming to. You know, the first on Friday was when I discovered this market maker footprint. So I didn't see it, but on Friday, I discovered it. And I told every one of us that they might pull back from this region. And look at it, they come to 2010. At that 2010 exactly that I gave to every one of us, they started pulling it back. But in as much that I want to position myself, for a sell, I'll still be trending with caution. I don't know whether Hurricane is on this call. Hurricane, are you on this call? Send me an invite. Hurricane, Danny JFX, and Felix Osaji. Those are my master's students. Let me see. I gave them an assignment. That they should follow up on the Israeli issue and Palestine. So I want to know, what is the outcome of the election? What is the outcome of the election? Where is Osaji? Where is Danny JFS? That one is invisible, the president of Invisible Trader. I will not see that one. So yeah, Hurricane, what is your feedback? What did you got? Are they asked them to cease fire, or they still want to continue to fire on?
The UN conference meeting to vote for or against ceasefire, and it was voted for ceasefire.
Okay.
Majority of the countries voted for ceasefire, but the 45 countries were neutral. But the truth is that Israel is not stopping. Israel, as at this morning, is still bombing. Understand. So, with its way, it's like we have to say with caution, because if Israel has stopped, obeying the order to ceasefire, frankly, gold may drop. But because Israel is not obeying, they're still bombing back from when we were still having the UN meeting with the voting. We were bombing consistently. So at this moment, like I said, we have to tread carefully.
Okay. Thank you so much for that feedback. Thank you so much for that feedback. Thank you so much for that feedback. God bless you. Thanks for honoring me. Thank you so much. So now that we have listened to what is happening presently on gold, based on the voting, I think that is why we are having the little retracement. But as we have heard that they are still bombing, the war is still ongoing. So please, I will advise you, if the Israeli and the Palestine, if they don't cease fire, if they still continue to bomb each other, then we know that gold will still go bullish. Gold will still go bullish. So if gold is going to go bullish, then where do we position ourselves for a buy? Then what I am seeing on my screen this morning, I can tell you categorically for free that go and position yourself for 1978 or 1964. 1978 or 1964. Go and position yourself for a continuation on a buy on gold. This morning, I have taken sell opportunity on gold. I have taken sell opportunity on gold, and it gave me a good profit. It gave me a good profit. And for many of us that remember that I told you that once it got to this price, then look for sell opportunity. When it gets to this price, I told you that look for sell opportunity. And the market gave us a very nice sell, and it's still dropping. It has given more than 1,000 pips. So I'm expecting it to come to 1964 or 1975. Those are the two prices I'm expecting gold to come to. So once gold can come to those two regions, then we'll now be thinking, still holding its course is going down to 1991. Okay, is my target. Nice one. Official Civic FS. Good one. But for me, I'm expecting gold to retrace back. If they fail to cease fire, everybody, you can just go and write it down at 1975 or 1964. They will buy. The market will continue to go bullish. Nothing will stop it. So that is my analysis. So normally, if I want to look at it, if I want to follow every, if I want to put fundamental aside, now let me play a neutral game. If I want to play a neutral game, let me play a neutral game. Let's play a neutral game. On a neutral game, let's look at it. On a neutral game, what is happening? On a neutral game, we can see that the market is going bullish. The market is going bullish, going bullish. Then the market come and it drop at this market maker footprint. If every one of you that have been following me for long, you can see that all those places I told you that they will come back and they will go bullish. Those are the region they came to. And this was the two regions that remained. I said, if they don't go back, if they don't fly up from this place, this is where they will come to. These two regions is where I marked for you people, if every one of you could remember. And what happened? They fly from that region and they keep on flying, and I keep on giving you re-entry strategy. I first of all gave us a re-entry at this region, and I could remember that I gave you people another re-entry at this region. Then at this region, that was the last entry which I gave last week, that the market will go bullish and position yourself for bullish momentum, which I return all glory to God that many of us make good money from it. And if I will tell you, I will position myself for a buy again at this region. I'll position myself for a buy again at those prices. So if they don't give me opportunity here, then we'll now come back and sit down and let's look at it again and say, let's go for opportunity on a sell if they give us that opportunity. But as for me and my fans, let's position for ourselves for a buy. If they come there, they didn't give us a buy, then we will now think of what we are going to do next. For me on gold this morning, I'll be positioning myself for a buy during the course of the week at the price of 1975 or at the price of 1964. So that is my analysis for this week. And I pray God will give you wisdom to trade nicely, to trade well. And I wish you best of luck in your trading career. And that is it. And if there is anything that you want us to talk about, drop it in the comment section. We will definitely answer you. I remain Oluwasesan Olukayode Temitayo Ogwekun, and the chief coach of Top FS. God bless you. See you later at the top, and remain blessed. I love every one of you, and I will never take you for granted. See you later. God bless.